Digitest online training. I am by name Adebayo Oluwaseun. I am I'm the convener of Digitest training. So I'm the CEO. I say once again, welcome. This is our ChatGPT training, and briefly we'll be talking about how we can use ChatGPT to create any books, either on health, finance, real estate, digital marketing, name it. As long as that thing is having a name, you can use ChatGPT to create a book. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can use it to create any box. So we come to our ChatGPT, we've logged in, we are in the work area now. So how do we use it to create a book? So for the first thing I would do here, um, let me first of all greet the both. Hi, I'm going to turn it to a conversation. You can see the both answering me very fast because I'm recording this video in the night. The system is a little bit fast in the night. So um, I want to write a book about, okay, let's say WhatsApp automation. Yes. Um, okay, let me tell the book to write a book. Okay, write an Amazon standard book on WhatsApp automation. So let's start from there. So let's see what it's going to say. You can see it said, I'll be happy to help you write Amazon standard book on WhatsApp automation. Here is the outline to get started. Now this bot is giving me a kind of an hint, um, categorizing the books into chapter 1, chapter 2. It's going to chapter 10 now. Can you see the way the bot is writing and the conclusion? This is amazing. This is what? Amazing. If I'm not okay with what the bot have sent, then I can click on regenerate to generate another one slightly different from this. But let me just, because of our time, let me remain with this. Let's see what chapter 1 is talking about. Introduction to WhatsApp automation, and it talks about 3 bullet points. The growing popularity of WhatsApp business communication tool, benefit of automating. You can see here is introducing us to the benefits, okay, and the challenge and limitation of WhatsApp automation. Then in chapter 2, setting up WhatsApp business account. So in short, in total, we have 10 chapters. This is amazing. So I'm going to tell the bot now. Let's see what the bot will say to write um, 20 pages of a book. Let's see what the bot will say before I will now teach you how you can write yours. Write 2 and 20. Okay, 20 pages of the book. Of the book in the sense that we'll be talking about this book. So we are reminded about that, okay, we'll talk about this book. So write 20 pages. So let's see. Can you see what this book is doing? So in short, if you are even if you don't have any skill at all, if this is the only skill you have, I am telling you guys that you are just off you go. In short, when I was preparing of taking this class, something was just coming to my mind that actually, if you have these skills, you have no reason not to make money online. I'm telling you, because these are what people paid money online for. In the sense that we have people writing books. We have people writing books on Amazon. They said there are books on Amazon. You can use this ChatGPT to write books on health, write books and market it and sell it on Amazon. So let's see what this. Okay, he wrote chapter 1. Can see challenges. Okay, it talks about the bullet points highlighted in chapter 1. So how do we want to write it? That's the question coming to our mind. How do we write a book? He has given us chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So I'm going to, okay, he has written chapter 1. Okay, I'm going to tell the boat now. Write 500, 600 words for chapter 2. For chapter 2. So I don't need to code what is in chapter 2. So let's see what the boat will say. You can see it says chapter 2. Can you see? And he will write it. And he will write it. So for those of you that want to write books, this is how you can do it. If you ask the boat to write, let's say 20 pages, and he said he can't write it, just choose it by chapter, chapter by chapter. You ask the boat to write either for 200 words, 700, 1000 words. By the time you are done with all the chapters, your book is volume. It will be a very big book. Either you have the talent or you don't have the talent. You don't have to work hard. You have to work smart. That is what this is all about. You have to work smart. Look at it now. A whole book, I can write it within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. I can get it done within what? 10 minutes. That's what I'm doing, working hard and working smart. They are two different things. Here we are teaching you how to work smart. It's not about the okay, I can do this. No, 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 no. You are thinking ahead in the 21st century. We are using that mindset. And for those of you in schools, students, you can actually make good a lot of money from this. Especially those of your friends writing assignment, they have projects that they need to write. Just tell them to bring the project topic, the seminar topic, write it for them. In the morning, you give them their something, print it out for them. And they will check it, everything is correct. That is the power of ChatGPT, AI, artificial intelligence. You can do things that will take hours to do within a twinkling of an eye. You can write any books. If I want to continue writing now, that's how I will continue writing. After all the write-ups, you can now go back and cross-check, proofread what you need to proofread. If there's anything that needs to be added, that needs to be removed, you removed. Then you publish your book. Off you go. Off you go. So let's try more. Let's see what our boats have written. Other tracking. Can you see the benefit of WhatsApp automation? Despite the benefit, business also need to be aware. If I tell him that I'm more, the beauty about this thing is that you can actually communicate with this book as if you are talking to your normal human being. If I say more, it's going to write more for me. You must be aware of the, you see, there was a statement he was writing, he didn't finish it. You also need to be aware of the potential drawback of WhatsApp automation. One of the biggest is losing the human touch. While the automation can provide faster and more efficient service, it may not also provide the level of empathy, understanding to customer, which is actually true. Can you see what he has done? If I want to both to give me more, just type more. So this is amazing. This is amazing. I don't know how I'm going to explain this any longer to you, but you need to just try it out. For those of you that have passion for books writing, you can even add this one to your skills, to the skills you have. You can write books, you're a content creator. What else again? This is it. You have your tools to make you write any content of your choice, any content, any books. In short, I think I'm having the thought of now starting my own Amazon books now, writing things on Amazon and publishing it. WhatsApp automation, health. I have the thought now, and I'm going to go far in it. Writing books for people on Fiverr, Upwork, and all those freelancer sites. And you'll be getting customers and leads. So thank you for joining me on the training. Have a wonderful day.